Hello everyone, welcome to this YouTube video. In this video, I'm going to explain you about this utility software. It's called Format Factory, and we can convert any kind of uh, video or audio, or picture, or document to let's say if you want to convert an MP4 to WebM, we can do that. Right now I'm converting an MP4 to WebM version to upload to one of my uh, websites that I'm currently working on. First let's see how we can download this software to our PC. So first go to your web browser and go to this URL pcfreetime.com. There you will find up here about this software. Format Factory, it provides audio and video. It's a audio and video converter, clipper, joiner, splitter, mixer. You can clip videos, join, split, mix, crop, delogo. It's also include video player, screen recorder, and video downloader. This is the software. So what we have to do is click on this Format Factory uh, image, and when you go down here, you will find these three download links. First one is fine. If you want, if your PC is running on 32-bit Windows 32-bit, you can download this version. So right now my computer is running on 64-bit version. So I'm downloading this one. So click on it and it will ask where you want it to download. So I have already downloaded it. You can just select the file that you want it to be downloaded, then click save. Right, after it is after it has downloaded into your computer, you can go to the download folder and double click on the exe file, and it will appear user account controller to ask do you like allow it to make changes to your device, and click yes. Then it will pop up a installing wizard like this, and it says welcome to Format Factory setup wizard. Format Factory, this will install the software. So just press next, and you have this license agreement, and press next. Then you can choose where you want it to be installed in your PC. So I'm right now I am installing it to the default location. You can, if you want, you can change it, then press the next. Now this is something that we don't want. So basically what people always do is like click next, accept everything, and then install. But don't do that. When you use installers utility software, especially free software, read what you are accepting. So here it says optional offer. McAfee Web Advisor. Search confidently and browse safely with our free web advisors. If you like install these kind of add-ons, it will slow up your PC and sometimes pop up ads, and it acts as like a virus, but it's not a virus. It's most of the time they are adwares. So just press decline, and then optional offer is adware web companion. See, it's an adware, decline it, and optional Avast Parent Virus, decline, and then it will install the software onto your PC. So right now I'm closing it. No, I'll cancel it. It'll install it to my PC now. I have already installed it, so I can cancel it. Let's cancel it. Right. So after that, so I will need to install it again because I think I lost when I tried to install it again. Yeah, it was uninstalled first, so I will install it again. And this will, after installing the software, another instance of this story is alright. Please try again. Okay. So after installing this software, you will see, you will get something like this. To get platinum features, you are allowed bright data to occasionally use your device. Actually, this is saying that they will use your IP and your PC resources for their, like, sometimes for their any kind of data activity. So I will prefer limited use and don't allow big bright data use device resources, and then I will please press that. So now it should be down installed in this PC. Let's see, format factory. Yeah, right, it's right here. You will see on your desktop a shortcut, or you can just search it on your search bar. Or right now I have installed Windows 7 in this PC, so just press Windows key and search Format Factory. You will get the software. So at first it looks something like this. So what you can do is, if you want to, like, if you want to convert a MP4 to WebM format, you can just click WebM and select the folder and then convert it. So right now I'm not going to do that. I will convert a simple picture, so it will take less time. So if it is a video, it will take a longer time depending on the size of the video. So I'm going to select a PNG image and then convert it to WebP. WebP is the format that we use to most of the time we use on websites. When we develop websites, we use WebP format. So click on the format that you want, and then here you will see the output folder, and you can select output settings and see and change the result of the output. Like we can select the size of the image, output size, and size limit, or we can add a size limit or watermark, something like that. First here you will see an add file button. Click on it and go to pictures or downloads. I'll Google I will choose this image, and this is a PNG image. Now I'm going to convert it to WebP format. So here you can select the output folder. I will keep the default folder, so it will be the converted image will be stored in CFF output folder, and then you can add multiple images like this and press OK. So it will add to here. If you have multiple images, it will you will see a list of those images right here. So now what you have to do is come up here and click on start. Right. So it has been converted to WebP format, and you will hear a task completion alert. And when you go to that folder, when you go to CFF output, you will see the image that you have converted into web format. So initially it's in PNG format. Now when you click click on properties and see the format. It says WebP, so it has been successfully converted to WebP. So that's what this software the software is doing. So hope you like have an understanding of what the format factor, what this format factor is doing. You can convert to any format. Like we have a lot of formats here. So BMP format, GIF format, TIFF format, TGA, ICO, JPEG, and also if you want to convert audio files, you can join audio files, split audio files from a video, mix audio files, text, convert text to speech. Like you can add the text and it will convert into a speech audio file, and you can convert MP3, WMA to M4A, and you have a bunch of formats here. And when it comes to video, you can convert them video to MP4 format, MKV format, GIF format, WebM format, and you can join video with an audio. So you can do a lot of stuff. And also using so right now I'm using OBS Studio to record this video, but you can use this software to record a video. And also you have a format player, and you can delete logos and watermarks from an image using this item, and you can crop, fast clip, video downloader. So you have multiple options to choose and do your work. So that's it about this software, and hope you get something out of this video. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.